India's workforce is evolving, and at the heart of this transformation is flexi-staffing, a model reshaping how companies hire, scale, and stay resilient. While informal jobs still dominate in India, it's formal employment that offers stability, security, and real opportunities for progress. Flexi-staffing is the bridge between informal and formal work, giving thousands of women their first real step into formal employment. Women's participation in flexi-staffing has grown steadily, from 21% in 2020 to 25% today. But it's still not enough. A 3% increase alone could add 2.3 lakh more women to India's workforce. A game changer for business productivity and economic growth.
Flexi staffing in many ways is that complete conduit to complete from education, that's the end point of your education, to the start point of your employment. We also become a conduit that the customer may originally take the person on a flexi staff, say for 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, and then based on the skills that the person has gathered and based on the outcome and the productivity the person has given to us or to the client, then they are also able to absorb them on higher levels like an assistant manager, supervisors and others.
For many women, challenges with safe accommodation, transportation and skilling limit access to formal jobs, especially for those migrating from rural areas. Progress begins by redesigning systems that support women at every step. Focused hiring, safe housing and transport, skilling, financial literacy. The impact of these efforts are already showing.
From initially, I have studied in stores based on my experience or my dedication or my ability. I have moved to finance. Now I'm in the finance. Now I have to look myself in the better position. That's what I'm dreaming of.
12 घंटा ड्यूटी हो या 24 घंटा ड्यूटी हो, उससे मेरे को कोई परेशानी नहीं। हम वहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए तैयार हैं, बस गलती से बच के। अब आगे आप लोग का मर्जी, जहाँ तक पहुँचाइएगा वहाँ तक हम जाने के लिए तैयार हैं।
The women are ready. Is the system ready to support them? Because the future of work isn't just flexible, it's inclusive. Join the Close the Gender Gap Consortium. Let's commit to a gender equitable corporate India.